Looks like you're going bananas. Hey, Babi, what is that thing? Did you make your own strawberry? Hey friends, it's Mr. L, your host for the Monkey Doodle Show. Today we're going to make a cool, silly character called Baby Berry. So let's go. I'm going to start out by making a large triangular type shape, but a soft triangle I like to call it. Something like that. And this is again for Baby Berry character. And Baby Berry is going to have some leafy hair. Put a stem in the middle there with a little oval on top. And we're going to make some other hair come out this way and then like this. And let's see, we're going to make two large circle eyes, one bigger than the other. But before we do that, we're going to put one more leafy shape here, because babies always have that silly hair that hangs down and curves over their forehead. So, all right, let's make a large eye. That's a circle here. Okay, let's make a smaller one near it. All right, now inside the eye, we're going to make large Pac-Man style eye shapes. And we're going to put a little circle over here in the upper part of that Pac-Man. So it kind of looks like Pac-Man's coming in and going this way. That's funny. All right. Now, Baby Berry is going to have dark sections in here. So make that black. Okay. And then we're going to do the same thing to the other side. And that'll make it look more like a cute baby, because the baby has large eyes. Everything about a baby's cute, right? Big eyes, chubby body, just cute, cute. All right, so there is Baby Berry's eyes. Pretty excited already. Baby Berry also has some eyelashes. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Alrighty. Baby Berry also needs a smile, so let's see. We're going to do a nice smile over here. We're going to put a little curvy line here for a chubby cheek. And we're going to put a U shape right about there. And we're going to do a tongue that's sort of like this with a little bump there. And one nice large tooth. Babies don't have many teeth, right? Until they get older, so one tooth is a good way to start off. Let's color inside the mouth. Okay, so that tooth really stands out well now. And now we're going to give Baby Berry some arms and legs. So let's do that. I'm going to give two simple legs. One leg that sticks out over here with a little oval that loops around, and another leg that sticks out on this side. Make it a nice thick line. Another little oval that sticks out on that side. So it looks like Baby Berry's kind of squatted on the floor. All right, Baby Berry needs arms. Let's do that. We're going to make a simple arm that sticks out on this side. And we're going to make 1, 2, 3, and a short thing for a thumb. Short finger there. Baby Berry's excited, so the arms are up in the air. Babies are always swinging their arms in the air for some reason, right? Whether they're hungry or they want to sleep or they're complaining. Well, Baby Berry's no different. Even though it's a fruit, has some human baby characteristics, as we can see. Now Baby Berry has another arm up in the air here on this side. And this time we're going to make the arm gripping something. So do a little shape that looks like a backwards 9 or a lowercase e. And we're going to make another shape that comes around like this and we're going to make a black line come down from it. Okay, like that. This will be the stick for something, or the stem for something, I should say. Make it bump right into the hand. We're going to close this little part here if you can. That'd be great for the palm. You might need a little piece here. Okay. And we're going to make it stick out this side a little bit. Short line. And now we're going to make a circle. Now it's so big that it's not even going to fit in the whole area, but watch. I'll start over here and go right to the side of the paper. And we're going to make a spiral from the middle and go around, and one more time. There we go. And guess what? Baby Berry's excited to have one of those swirly pops. I don't know about you guys, but I would too. All right. Now, Baby Berry also has Pacifier, or Binky, as some people call it, that flew out of his mouth as soon as she saw that swirly pop there. So we're doing little oval type shapes here. Another smaller oval around the back. Another oval type shape inside. So as you can see, we use a lot of ovals and curves to make our characters. And maybe we could sort of put a couple of action lines here, like it's moving around. Okay? We could even do that to Baby Berry's arm. And even Baby Berry's leg if you want to show more motion. Okay? Now, let's put a couple more things on Baby Berry, and then we're going to hyperspace color, guys. You're doing a great job. Let's put 2 circles, one here and one here, to show some nice rosy cheeks on Baby Berry. And of course the strawberry needs the seeds, guys, on the outside. So I'm going to do some short lines that stagger in different areas, and those are going to be the seeds on Baby Berry's face. And I'm just going to spread them out in different areas. Maybe one here, maybe one more over there. And that's it for Baby Berry, guys. Get ready to hyperspace color, and let's go.
Babi, where are you? Babi? Babi, did you take my scissor?
Banana dance! Banana!
Hey friends, this is Mr. L. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Thanks.